And then let's go in belly to belly, forehead to forehead. Holding the belly nice and low. Yeah. I want him nice and low, and your hands on his your hands on his hands. Yes, that's perfect. Close those gaps. Pop your left leg for me. Yeah, perfect. Perfect.
Hey guys, just a quick reminder, this YouTube channel is only sustainable if you comment, subscribe, and like.
You are facing me. Perfect. There's little black hairs. They look like they came from you.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably you.
Okay, so you are next to her, but you're facing that way.
Yep.
I'm going to arrange your hands. Your hips are touching like there's magnets in them. Perfect. I'm going to grab your arm and pull it through here. Perfect. Good. And then can you guys look at each other? Good. And let your heads fall naturally. Close your eyes. And then I'm going to have you look out to the right. Yeah, I like that better. I hope the mosquitoes don't get too bad. Perfect. Close your eyes for me. Good. Perfect. And then I want you guys to do forehead to forehead again. Yes, perfect. Pretty. Hold that. I'm going to come in a little closer. Yeah, right there. Let's do, let me see, what do I want to do here? I like that. Holding your belly, and then your hand can just go right there. Perfect. Come around her a little bit more. Good. And then look towards each other. Kind of fall. Yeah, that's cute. I think I want you more like that, though. There we go. Sorry. If I'm too hands-on, let me know.
No, never.
Cute. Perfect. Okay, yep, hold that. Our eyes are closed and we have soft smiles. Bugs. Cute. The colors look so rich right now. Yes. Good. All right. I want you looking down towards your armpit, and then you're also going to look kind of towards her armpit. Yes, just like that. Come around her a little bit so your eye is not blocked. Move your body if you have to. That way you're not doing that with your neck. Yes. Perfect. Okay, our eyes are closed. We have soft smiles. Oh, God. Perfect. We're holding this, but I want you guys to do more eyes open, a little bit more energy, and I want you to kind of like sway her and you guys can laugh about it. Yes. Giggles. Yes. Cute. Give each other a kiss. Perfect. Yep. And then go like forehead to forehead giggles. Cute. Nailed it. That was really cute. Okay. Yeah. I might have you here, leaned against it if you're comfortable with that. Popped. Always, usually I like the leg that's closer to me to be popped. And I'm going to stand over there. So pop this leg, holding your belly. Shoulders are back. Let's do barefoot would be cute. I would even lean. Yeah, let's lean. Pop that leg, holding your belly. And again, we'll just like lean against the tree, chin up with your eyes closed. Cute. Are you able to go a little bit more that way? Not like your like shift, like your belly is more pointing that way. Yeah, that's better. Pop this leg and then hold your belly. And I know it's instinct to suck in, try to push it out.
Yeah, right.
And then yeah, there you go. Perfect. The head looked like you tucked your hair. Yes. I feel like you won't like the bang right here. It's kind of doing this instead of like, this.
Oh,
Yeah.
better?
Yeah. That's cute. Perfect. Don't suck in. I keep seeing your belly go in.
I know.
I know, instinct when the camera's on us, we suck in. Okay. Ooh, pretty. Yes. Throw your chin up a little bit more and a little bit more of a softer smile. Cute. Perfect. Look down towards your right boobie. Yes. Take your time. It's okay. Pretty. Are you able with your, where you stand? Yeah, your, wait, what? Your left hand. Can you kind of, oh my gosh, I can't balance. Ooh, pretty. Yes. Okay. Look down towards your belly. You can let go of your hair. Let's do 2 up, 2 down. Yes. I like that. Yeah, that's cute. Look that way. Yes. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Look that way one more time. Yes. Hold that. Cute. Can you give her like kisses where your lips fall naturally? Like on the side of her face, maybe her shoulder. Cute. Can you laugh while he does that? Yes, cute. That's perfect. Yes. Legs popped good, belly, hair is on point. You're just looking at her, so your job's easy. I'm kind of just shooting through you at her. You're smiling at him for the first view. Cute. You can totally giggle if it makes you feel more natural. Yes, cute. Kind of giggle and look down. Yes, cute. Hold that. Oh, sorry. So we're gonna do that same pose. I feel like I might have done this at your engagement shoot, but you're kind of like here holding his hand, but I want your hair to, I want you to do this over and over again. So it looks windy. Right where you were.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, same pose. And then just like, I want you to kind of like whoosh it up. Yes, like that, literally. Yep. Kind of giggle at him. Hold your belly. Good. That was perfect. You nailed it. I got it. Cute. Look back at him a little bit. Yes. Smile, giggle. Yes. Perfect. Look down towards your belly. Cute. Now with that free hand, instead of holding your belly, you're going to wave the skirt around. And let's see. You're still admiring her. I want you to look down towards your belly, okay? Kind of giggle while you do it. Wave it a little aggressively. And hold on. Let's not get the liner in it because then the liner looks weird.
Oh, should I grab? Oh, no.
Yeah, just this. Yeah. And kind of twirl it aggressively. And then you guys are kind of giggling. You can giggle at him. You can giggle at your belly. Cute. Yes. Just gonna grab her chin, kind of like this, and just pull her in. Yeah, cute. Hold your belly for me. Pop this leg. Good. Hold her belly too. I feel like your legs are really far apart. Bring them in. Yeah, stand closer to her. Cute. Yeah, that's cute. You're gonna pull her in super slow, soft smiles for like a little slow kiss. Ready, go. Ooh, cute. Yes, I loved that. That was perfect. Yes. Kind of want, we'll go across the chest now. We'll go across there and then we'll do a nice little hold. Perfect. I don't know how to word this. Put your peen against her hip. Perfect. There you go.
You're like, this is just how I'm going to say it.
I don't know how else to say it. Like, put your
instructions.
pelvis, like, okay. Pretty. Oh, I love this. I'm going to back up a little bit. Yes. Cute. Can you give her little kisses on her shoulder, her cheek? Sorry. Cute. Yes. You're gonna go like this. You're holding on to his finger as if you're twirling around it, like you guys are dancing. Yep, just like that. Perfect. Good. Hands in the pocket. You are swaying the dress back and forth, and you guys are laughing at each other while you do this, okay? Yes. Oh, it's cute. Yes. Keep going. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then do some where you're holding your belly. No, no, no. Holding, yep, perfect. Just like that. Yes, cute. Yep, that was perfect. Nailed it. Okay. Perfect. And then do some where your eyes are closed. Let's close our eyes. Yeah, I like that. Perfect. Cute. Perfect. So pretty. Good. Look down towards your belly. Good. I'm just gonna make one adjustment because I feel like it's covering this boob more than this boob. Symmetry. Okay.
There we go.
Look out that way. Do a soft smile and then close your eyes. Good. Perfect. That same leg still popped. Actually, are you able to pull your leg through and kind of hold it? Yeah, that's pretty. Let's loosen it up a little bit. Get more flowiness. Good. You can literally hold it there. Good. On top, we're going to do chin all the way up and your eyes are closed again. Do an even more bigger smile. Yeah, there you go. Cute. Perfect. Okay, we're going to do, can you take that hand that's on your belly and kind of just, perfect, just like that. You're going to close your eyes again. Good. Look at me for one. Look out that way. Good. Hold that. Close your eyes. So there's two movements. Remember, you're shifting your belly the whole time, but our hands are up. We're rubbing our arms. Think like you're almost like doing like a moon dance, and we're twisting our bodies the whole time, okay? You're gonna face me because either way, eventually you should be facing all directions. And you're gonna kind of like hips, twist, arm rubs, eyes are closed. Okay? There's a lot of movements to it. Let me fix the lining of your skirt.
Dang it.
It's not you, it's literally the skirt. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna back up. Eyes are closed. Good, yes. Keep going. I'm coming in closer because you're doing good. Perfect. Yes. That was pretty. Okay. I'm gonna have you here, sitting on your hip. Yes. Legs are kind of out. Hand is back on the belly. Yeah, let's do chin up with our eyes closed again. Lots of that. It's not a pleasant feeling. Okay. That's perfect. I like the way the skirt is laying. So that's awesome. Try to, it is. I feel like you need to like push your chest out and your belly out more towards the sky or sit on your hip more. That looks better already. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Yep. Chin is up. Eyes are closed. Ooh. Yes. Hold that. Look down towards your belly. Like
Oh,
that.
okay, yeah. Belly out.
Yes. Belly out. Leg. Belly out. Head is back. Like, really, I'm trying to push my belly out. Yeah. Okay. Do you think they're gonna like me on YouTube?
Stuff like that, yeah.
Trying to be a YouTuber.
Yeah.
You know, at the ripe age of 33. Ooh, yes. That's pretty. Yes. Okay. I don't want it to look too purposeful, but I definitely want to see your legs. Hold your belly one up, one down. Don't hold that. Yeah, it looks weird. Let me see. I think I like that. That looks pretty. I don't like it to look too purposeful because then it looks cheesy if it's like done too much. Yeah, that looks pretty. Look that way. Do a soft smile. Yes, pretty. Even bigger smile. Yes, cute. Look down towards your belly and smile. Cute. All right, that's perfect. All right, we can jump up. We can head back.